The next one will be the variegated wash, so let's give that one a try now. Now all that is, by the way, is just probably 2, 3, 4 colours, whatever you want to use, where you go from one colour to the next, to the next, to the next. I'm going to use 2 colours on this one, so we can basically merge in 2 colours together. So we'll go for the blue again, but this time I think I'll go for an indigo blue. Alright, so this is indigo. So a fully loaded brush. I'm going to start from the top. Alright. Now, you see how thick that paint is? We need it to kind of maintain a bit of a run line. So the bottom line of this paint here, we don't want it too dry like there. You want to maintain the wetness of it. So keep it wet as you come down the paper. Maintain that run line. I think my board is still at a very slight angle at the moment, not purposely, it just is. Which helps, because that helps the paint to run down a little bit more. Okay, so we're going to keep working our way down. Remember not to go back up. So as you go back up, this is starting to dry already further up the paper. You'll find because you're going on dry paper, it will dry a lot quicker as well. Okay, try and maintain that wet line if we can. So it's too dry there, look. Keep going. And we'll get about halfway roughly. Always too dry there. Just make sure there's plenty of wetness there. Roughly about halfway, and we'll change colour. So very quickly wash your brush out. And I think we'll go in for some red. Now this red is a rose madder and carmine, so it's a bit 2 mixes together on this one. So I wanted something quite bright. Like I say, I started away from that indigo blue, and I'll show you the reason behind that. I just want to get a few lines in there first. While it's wet, touch that blue with that kind of carmine colour. Just merge those 2 together. See, it's starting to dry, that blue already in there, look. Don't take long. And this is how we'll get 2 colours blending together. So a bit more red now, keep coming down the paper. When you get like a bit of a line there, just lightly tickle it, and that should kind of help it kind of disappear. So while the paper's wet, you can do that. If you try doing that when it's nearly dry, you'll end up with like a cauliflower mark along the paper. A bit more. And all the way down to the bottom, nearly there. And there you go. And that basically is what we call a variegated wash. Straightforward, isn't it? Right, so the next one will be tissue.